How to fix Instagram message primary general option not showing problem. So if you want to fix the Instagram message primary general option not showing problem, then open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, go with the profile which is on the bottom right and make sure that you have a professional account. If you've not switched to a professional account, go with the upper right which has that 3-bar icon, and then you can simply switch to a professional account. Tap on edit profile, tap on switch to professional, continue, and simply choose what best describes you and then go with done, okay, and it might take up to 30 seconds to finish creating your professional account. And after that, tap on next and tap on OK and continue. And once you've done your professional account, you need to simply reload your page. Once you've reloaded, now you need to go back and you just need to simply go with the messages option which is on the upper right. Once you go with messages, now here you will have the general option, primary option, and the request. So that's it. That's how you can fix the Instagram message primary general option not showing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.